VMware and Broadcom have been trending higher on the stock markets after they announced their acquisition agreement on Thursday, May 26. On top of this, they've zoomed on the back of their latest quarterly results. Let's take a closer look. Broadcom, a semiconductor tech company, is set to acquire VMware, a multi-cloud service provider, for about $61 billion on a cash and stock transaction. According to the deal, the chipmaker will also assume $8 billion of the software company's net debt. Upon closing the acquisition, the semiconductor company is set to rebrand and operate as VMware. A $21 billion market cap business, Broadcom said it'll also incorporate its existing information technology infrastructure as a part of its expanded VMware portfolio. As per the agreement, VMware shareholders will have an option to receive either a cash payment of $142.5 or 0.252 shares of Broadcom for each VMW share. In addition, Broadcom projects continue their current dividend policy of returning 50% on previous year's free cash flows to shareholders. Let's now take a look at these shares individually. VMware, with a market cap of $51 billion, reported revenue of $3.09 billion in the first quarter, a 3% jump. The company continued momentum in subscription and software as a service business accounted for 29% of total revenue. However, VMware posted a net profit of $242 million, down from the previous year's $425 million. The company also expanded its partnership with Google Cloud to expedite application modernization and cloud transformation for its customers. BMW stock is up by over 30% in 1 week. Meanwhile, Broadcom saw its revenue climb 23% year over year to $8.1 billion, and it reported increased net earnings of $5.29 billion in the latest quarter compared to $1.49 billion a year ago. Broadcom witnessed a year-over-year surge of $715 million in its FCF to $4.15 billion, and it announced a quarterly dividend of $4.10 a share scheduled for June 30. The business anticipates its revenue to reach around $8.4 billion and adjusted EBITDA of around 63.5% of expected revenue in the third quarter. AVGO stock swelled by roughly 20% in 52 weeks. Now that you're up to speed, give us a sub and hit that bell icon to stay ahead of the game. I'm Holly Shields for Kalkine Media.